Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what I have here is a box with, there's the label on it here. This is going to give me multiple screens on my laptop. So let's give this thing a try. I can open it with this. So I got this because I've been trying to do all my, if you look around here, see behind me is my 3D printer. I have my laser cutter over here. I have my gardening stuff over there. So I've got all this stuff going on all the time, and I have so many windows open on my laptop that I never get to do anything with it. So this is what it looks like here. So this is what it's going to be. It's going to be a triple screen laptop screen extender. So that's it. It's by DomyFan, and here's some of the information on it there if you need that. I got this one here. It should be nice and big. I got one that was, I have a 14-inch MacBook Pro, so hopefully these are similar size screens. So let's open this thing up. I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. So as we open it, we have a piece of foam here. And then this is going to be the whole kit, apparently. Let's just see what else we got in here. We have a, so it's USB-C to HDMI wire. We have a USB-C to USB-C, probably a Thunderbolt or whatever that's called, where it gives you the video. Then we have USB to USB-C. I'm guessing that's going to be a power version. And here's another one of those same ones, USB to USB-C. We have the information on it here, the user's guide. And we have the setup guide here. If you need that, you can probably pause it and zoom in. But let's move all these boxes out of the way. I mean, that's everything. It's empty here. Move this out of the way and try to get this thing set up. Okay, so here's my laptop and everything on my desk. I'm gonna have to probably make a little bit of space for this thing. But let's see what we got. So this is it here. We'll open this up together. Nice case. It actually has handles on it, so you could hold it with you like that. It's got a little pouch up front to stick all the cables in. So actually kind of nice. Everything's all in one little pouch. And if you look inside, it's kind of soft. It's just leather, or leather-like. This is the thing here. It's kind of carbon fibery looking. And let's see how we do this here. Let's open it up. Oh, open it up here. Open it up there, and we have our screens. And then this is where we have the connectors here. We have storage left, right? Storage. I'm not sure what we're storing in there. Storage 1, storage 2. Oh, for storage, I think you close it. So I think it's going to go like this, and it's going to go around my laptop. So you guys can see my laptop, and we look here on the back. So I'll show you guys. Sorry if this is making noise, but in the back here, this little piece here, I'm going to guess, is going to come out. Sorry, my microphone keeps knocking into everything. So this is going to be coming out, and then it's going to be the little foot. So it'll lean back, probably because it's too heavy, and it'll just pull the monitor back. But let's try to put this on and see what happens. So if we go here, we stretch it out. It kind of connects back on there, and it goes on. And then I'll extend the little foot to whatever distance I like, and for me that's probably fine. Oh, let's try this again here. Let's fix this up. There we go. So you can see it's got, my foot went in. Let's go to this level. Just trying to set it up so you guys can see it. Normally it would probably be easier, but see, so it's got the little rubber feet to kind of hold it in place. So I can do this if I want to be immersed in my laptop, so I can leave it in my screens. And then let's find out the wires here and plug these things in and see what happens. I guess don't squeeze, don't pierce, remove the protective film. So let's take off our protective film on this side. And there's our screen. And then now let's find out where to plug it in. Where is the plug? It's in the back. So we're going to plug this onto here. Oops, if I can do this, you guys can still see what I'm doing. I'm just plugging this right now into my laptop onto one side of this plug. Oop, I'm having a hard time plugging in the USB-C cable. There we go. Okay, so now we're plugging in the USB-C, and then we will plug it into the monitor. It's got 3 ports back here, so I'm not sure if we need one versus another, but we'll try it and see what happens. There's one side plugged in. So where was the other one like that? So maybe it's not plugged into the correct one, or I didn't push it in all the way. Let me see. Let's look at the instructions. Oh, there we go. I needed to plug it into the top port for it to get power. Let's see. Does it explain it on there? I don't know if it even says it. But, oh, look at that. And I've already got a screen going. Okay, so let's try the other side. Let's peel the screen cover off. How cool was this? Oops, there's that off. We'll put this way here. I'm powering my MacBook right now through USB-C instead of through. I usually power it through the MagSafe or whatever that's called, or the magnet one there when I left that charger at home. So this is powering this whole thing right now from this. Probably gonna unplug it, yeah, and it's gonna work off of batteries too. Guessing it would probably eat up a lot of batteries if I did it that way. But look at this. So now I have 3 screens. So if I move over, oh, you know what? I need to probably set up my screen. Oh, this, if I go left, it goes to that one. So let's go left. Yep, there we go. So there, now I have my screen on the left. Can you guys see? Right there. So that is that screen there. So let's see what we got here. So there you go. So that looks really good. And now let's see this one here. So I'm going to change my settings here so we can see what it is. So if we go to System Settings on my Mac, and then I go to Displays, I can see I have my built-in display right now is set for there. So I need to move one of these ones away. So I can hit Arrange, and I'll move this one to that side and say Done. And now if I scroll, oh, I think I have the wrong one going the wrong side. Yes. So let me do this the other way. So Arrange. It's very easy to do. There. So now I have my screens all arranged. So if I go to the left, it goes to that way. If I go and drag this one to the right, it goes this way. So look at that. How cool is that? And then it looks like it's set for a pretty decent sized resolution there. I guess if I was going to be watching a video or something, it wouldn't matter too much. But let's see if I just go in there and just shoot and try 1920 by 1080. Boy, it does. It works. It makes it small. Let's see. Is that the highest resolution it goes? It looks like that's going to be about as small a resolution as I'm going to get. And it works good, though. Look at that. Got a nice screen. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me unconnect this one here, and you guys can see. You can read my stuff. I can totally read everything it says on that monitor. And it's a nice monitor. It's a good size, too. I guess it's probably the same size as my other one. It looks like this left one, yeah, they're both the same size as each other. So that's what it looks like here for my little setup. So how cool is that? So this is a really nice little setup. You saw I got it set up. This video is 8 minutes long, and I got it from unboxing all the way to working. So I'm going to say this is super cool. And this is the DomyFan one. And I'm going to say this is cool. Let's just, for fun, let's just go to, there's my calendar. But let's see if I can see something else here. Let's see if I go to YouTube. And so this is just my channel on YouTube. If I was to look at a video here, let me turn on the sound. But there, so we can see YouTube, the video streaming quality seems good to me. So I like it. Let's see what else is there to do. Sound maybe? Let me skip that. Oh, and it's got volume control on the sides too, so I can have the volume coming out of there if I want to. So I'm gonna say this is super cool. Let me pause this. That was my video. But super cool. Thumbs up from me at DomyFan. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.